Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, everybody. It's Rod with POW Group, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. Today is Thursday, July 24th. Hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to set up your account on BTCC crypto exchange and how to do copy trading as well. I recently announced that I'm going to be doing a trading challenge with our group, POW Group Private Community, and I extended it out to YouTube, Rumble, all of the socials as well. And it's going to be fun. Already had a massive profitable trade. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment. But I recently announced this partnership with BTCC Exchange. I've done my due diligence. They've got a great rating on Trustpilot, excellent rating, and it's been operating for 14 years without a hack. So trusted by millions. And like I said, I've done my due diligence, and this is an affiliate partnership with BTCC. And I might do another video at some point soon with like how to initiate trades and whatnot. But let me know if that's something that you would like to see in the future. But in this one, just going to go over how to set up your account, what I've learned so far, and then also not just that, but the copy trading as well. Before we get to it, make sure to smash the like. If you're new, you can subscribe, take the bell. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live, and you can follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPOW. And again, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. All the trades that you enter, are a risk. You could lose all your money, so you just have to be aware of that you should never buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write, and all investments carry a risk. So this is the official partnership between BTCC and POW Group. There'll be links for this in the description and in the comment section below. You'll want to use this official link because I worked really hard to get all of these exclusive benefits. Initially, they didn't give me all of these benefits, but I really wanted to get something to reward my followers, my viewers, my members, and that's exactly what I was able to do. So 10% bonus on your first time deposit. So this is exclusive benefits just for using the POW link. When you go here, you get 10% bonus, and the bonus can be used to profit, cover fees, and losses as well. But you have to deposit a minimum of $500 USDT. So what's going to happen is you can do a deposit via crypto. If you just go to BTCC, click on deposit, you're going to have a fiat deposit, you're going to have a crypto deposit. Crypto, you can send USDT in, you can send XRP, whatever you want, and then convert it into USDT. But to get the bonus, you have to either deposit USDT, 500 USDT, or you have to go here to fiat deposit and buy 500 USDT with fiat, either Canadian dollars, US dollars, or whatever currency in your region. So you would just do that and you would deposit. If you're in the US, I actually had a member that was able to do it successfully with a credit card. So he was able to buy 500 USDT with his credit card. But again, that's in the US. In Canada, I'm pretty sure it's not going to work since 2018. Really, Canadian banks have been shutting that down, crypto purchases, so it's probably not going to work, but there is e-transfer. So that's something that you can do as well. And again, maybe I'll do another video of, exactly how to deposit and how to do trades and things like that. I don't want to make this video too long, but let me know in the comment section if that's something you'd like to see. All signups can unlock secret community rewards, extra bonuses of up to $10,000 per user, and all users can enjoy 40% lower trading fees as well. And the fees are already so low. It's like 0.004%. So it's literally the lowest fee I've ever seen. I didn't even notice the fees whenever I was going through my trades and testing out the platform. It's literally some of the lowest fees, if not the lowest fees that I've ever seen. This exchange is not, fly-by-night exchange. It's been around for 14 years. It's never been hacked. Its inception was in 2011. It's older than Binance. It's older than Coinbase. You name it. Buy and sell hundreds of crypto futures, 300 plus. They have leverage as well, up to 500x, although I don't recommend that. And no VPN or KYC required. You can create your account and start it in less than 5 minutes. The only place that I heard that you need VPN is the United Kingdom, so the UK. Everywhere else, you don't need VPN and KYC. They also have access to tokenized stocks and Forex. So here's some terms and conditions as well. The 10% bonus on first-time deposits only, minimum 500 USDT deposit. The maximum is 100K deposit, so you can get a bonus of $10,000. There's no restrictions on leverage or coins. If initial is withdrawn, then the deposit is voided. Ensure the first trade is taken within 7 days of bonus, and bonus is deployed to eligible users once per week. So that is the partnership. And again, we're going to be joining. I already have one follower here. I haven't started trading just quite yet. I only initiated one trade, and that was a few days ago. We'll look at that in just a moment. But you can see here I have assets under management, AUM, 500 USDT. And this is, if you go to copy at the top once your account's set up, just click on futures copy trading. This will take you here. This will be the main page. So what you're going to do, you can see that this is my lead trading page, and I've opted in for that. But if you go down here, you can see the market leaderboard. You can search traders. So if you just type in POW, POW, that's how you'll find my copy trading account. So you can just click on that, and then you can even click on the profile picture. That'll bring it up. Eventually, this will get tabulated with a bunch more data. Again, I just literally set up my copy trading account yesterday. Today's July 24th, 2025. I set it up on the 23rd, 2025 of July. So you can see here ongoing, and you can see history, followers. So you got followers there. If you click on latest record, this is my, and it says it's open. So I still have this trade open. I entered XRP, and I didn't do any leverage or anything for this one. It was just a regular 1X. And I entered it on the daily bull flag confirming. We confirmed the bull flag when we broke 303 essentially. So I was entering it right as it happened. And I entered at 302 essentially. And then not long after, the price hit 364. And I mean, even right now, the price is at 324. So to go from 302 to 324, that's still great, a great upside potential here, and current upside. And like I said, the potential is going to be massive with this one. I think it could easily be at $4, $5 in the not too distant future. We also have the POW algo alerts as well, which are giving our community members early buy and sell signals. So we're going to combine the POW algo service with this copy trading as well, and it's going to be a fun challenge. So there's already, I think, I'd say probably half a dozen or a dozen people that have said they're going to be joining in on this. So again, it's not just the POW Group private community members, it's members on YouTube, it's Rumble. If you're on socials, you can all join in just by doing this, right? Just by going to follow me here. So how you do it is you go to futures copy trading, just search. It should show different for you. If you just type in POW, it should show action and copy. So for example, if I just remove POW, because I am POW, it's not going to allow me to copy. But as you can see, if you go to all these leaders and it says action, you'll see this button called copy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on copy when you go to POW, and I'm going to explain this. So essentially, the profit sharing ratio, that's just what you'll give back to the lead trader, in this case myself. I believe I set it at 10%. This guy has it at 15%, so I'm giving a little bit less as well. So you get to keep more of that. So copy trading margin, I had some questions about this. What does it mean? So fixed margin versus proportional. So this is just very simply, if it's a fixed margin, this is per order. So essentially what's going to happen is if the lead trader opens a position to lead trade, opening margin is 1,000, USDT 1,000. So if the copy trader sets a margin of 10 USDT per trade, opening margin is 10. So you set a 10 USDT margin per copy trade. When the leader opens a position, 10 USDT will always be invested as the margin in the copy trade, regardless of the trader's margin amount. So in really simply put, and it does the example for the proportional. So all it means is, very simply put, if you do fixed margin, right, that's just a fixed dollar amount per copy trade. So if the copy trader person copying puts this as 50, that's how much it's going to do per order. So let's say you put in the person making the trade, the person you're copying, in this case myself, puts in 100, it's only going to put in 50 each order, right? So but if you do proportional, it's going to change it to, say, for example, if you do 2 times, so you can see here it says times 2. That means if the person initiating the trade, in this case POW, if let's say I put in $100 and you put 2 here times, that would mean you're putting in $200 per trade. Or you can do halves as well. So if you do 0.5, for example, if I were to put in $100 and you did 0.5 times that in the copy trade, you'd be putting in $50. So I would just recommend doing the fixed one. It's probably the best, and then just do whatever's right for you. If you want to do $100, right, select fixed and then select $100, whatever you want to do, $50, whatever you're comfortable with. Everybody's different. And then you can always change it later on as well and just see what works for you. Max amount is literally just how much you want to set for all trades going forward. So if you never want to invest any more than $300 into one trade, you would just put $300. Okay. So now copy ongoing positions. That's if enabled, copy any ongoing positions this lead trader has at the market price. So I wouldn't do that. I would just toggle that off. Advanced settings. This is cool too. So what you want to do is auto update. Once enabled, any new trades made by the leader will be automatically copied. So you want to have that enabled, because that means any future trades that I make the leader, you're going to follow those trades. Now you can also do this, which is pretty cool. You can do take profit per order or stop loss per order. So let's say you want to do a stop loss of 15%. You don't want to just follow what the trader's doing. You can set your own stop loss, or you can set your own take profit as well. Let's say I'm aiming for a profit of 60% on a trade. You can just set 30 and or just type it in here as well. You can do 20 as well. So it's completely up to you. Again, you can change those later on. And if you ever want to stop, you can just click on stop copy trading and go from there. But yeah, there's also a copy trading guide. So if you go over here to futures copy trading, there's a lead trader guide. You can see everything there. And then, like I said, if you go into POW, you'll be able to see all of my results and just play around, get familiar with it. And there's also a video here. I'll leave links for this in the description, just out of effort of time. I was going to play it, but in effort of time, I'll just leave it in the description and in the comment section below, along with this link as well, so that you can get the bonus and all these other rewards, lower fees, etc. So I want to remind everybody as well that the POW Group private community memberships will be going up in the next 6 days. So similar to the algo service, it's going to be going up, but anybody who's paying a certain price now, that will be locked in, so you won't be affected. There's still some people paying $4.99 a month for this. Essentially what it is a private chat community based in Slack. And there's a whole whirlwind of benefits. But if you go to pursuitofwealthgroup.com or powgroup.ca, everything will be mentioned there. The silver, gold, and VIP memberships will be going up. So make sure to take advantage of that. We also have a 1-week free trial that'll be ending soon, but it's still available. You can come check us out for 7 days free. No credit card required. But make sure to take advantage of that before prices do go up. Once they go up, you'll have to pay the new price, right? Anybody paying the current price now or any older price, you won't be affected, as I mentioned. I get a lot of questions about that as well. All right, let me know your thoughts and opinions. If you have any questions at all about BTCC, any questions for me at all, if you'd like to see another video, tutorial video on anything at all, just let me know and I'll make sure to make that happen. All right, it's Rod with POW Group. Thanks again for joining us in the Pursuit of Wealth, and we'll see you again on the next video.